Hello everyone, Dion Langness here with Software Consultants, and I'm going to share with you what I've seen our customer project managers get out of some construction specific software today. We're going to have a session that's going to last about 5 to 7 minutes, and if anybody has any further questions, they can certainly reach me at 651-442-3900. All right, so this is a common screen for a lot of our customers to use because it gives project managers access to everything that they need. In most cases, our customers are actually having project managers set up the job. Although this is not necessary, it is helpful for the accounting staff as it's one less thing for them to do. But basically, very simple. Quick to get a job set up. What type of job is it? Who's the customer? Dealing with retention, contract numbers, contract amounts. Those are all obviously very important. And then a few key settings here. If you do certified payroll jobs, it's important to identify that so you can get some certified payroll reporting automatically. And then departmentalization is also fairly common with a lot of our customers to separate their types of work in their financial statements. All right, as you can see, there's a lot of other information here, but I'm just going to breeze through it. If you need to keep track of certain dates that things have to get done, contact information about who's on the project, phone numbers, emails, etc. And then at the bottom, we have what we call hot links, where at the job level, the project manager can always see what their budget is, labor, material, subcontract work, and if you self-perform anything, you can see your budgeted hours as well. Change orders, purchase orders, subcontracts, all those things we have access to as well, as well as a contract summary, payments that have been made, and so forth. So that's a pretty common screen to get a job set up, get any information that you need about the project to have at your fingertips. The other items that a lot of the project managers are handling within their software are all the correspondence and documentation, requests for information, submittals, transmittals, daily field reporting is common for certain types of contractors. Keep in mind, this information can also be entered on our mobile tool out in the field by soups and foremen. All right. Progress billing, that's getting to be more and more popular too for project managers to handle. A lot of times they kind of know what they want to bill, what they've got into certain cost codes of a job. But of course, you can put security on this if you want the accounting staff to actually handle that role. All right, reporting. Very important to have access to the types of reporting PMs need. This committed cost report is pretty popular. I'll give you a quick example of what that looks like. Basically, what it does is it shows you your contract amount, all your cost codes for the job. These are obviously user definable. Your original budget plus changes. So this would be including approved changes, which obviously they do enter directly into Sage so that everything ties together and gets updated properly. Cost to date, committed contracts. So these would be your subcontracts that you have. Obviously, creating a subcontract in the system sets up this committed cost. Now it's also available for accounts payable for when those invoices come in. And at any moment, the project manager is going to know what the original contract was, any changes with the subcontract, and what's remaining, what's been paid, and so forth. Same for purchase orders and materials, what's remaining on the budget. One of the nice things that our customers are using is basically the drill down here. So at any point, you could come in here and drill into any of these numbers to get the detail. So if I want to see what made up that subcontract cost, you can see I've got two invoices here, one of paving and one for site work, and I can drill in, go into the detail, and actually see the invoice image right within your Sage system. So no more phone calls, emails, bugging accounting to try to get the detail. It's all right here with drill down, mouse click access. All right. If you like to use Excel, we can dump any information out to Excel. Obviously, if you're dealing with change orders, subcontracts, purchase orders, request for information, all this document correspondence, we can email right from the system to communicate more efficiently. All right, hopefully that makes some sense. And I just looked at one report here. There's all kinds of different status reports, profitability reports, work in process. We've got a nice little bonding report here. I'll go ahead and just pull this in for all my jobs. But basically, this is going to show current contract, current budget, estimated profit, my cost to date, profit to date, what's been earned, my over-under billing, cost of completion, which we do have a cost to complete worksheet within the software to help you manage that. And again, these are fields that I can drill into to get the detail of all the costs. And then I can drill in to see the person's time card, invoice information, etc., wherever that cost is associated. All right, that's a pretty popular report. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. But as you can see, the whole idea is to manage change orders, subcontracts, setting up jobs, all the correspondence, and then of course the reporting that each project manager prefers is all at their fingertips. All right, guys, thanks for your time. If you have any questions, go ahead and reach out. Have a great day. Bye now.